Welcome to Be Bright Energy's Spring Element Qigong. Spring is the season for renewal, growth, and fresh beginnings. Just as nature awakens after winter, this practice will help us awaken and revitalize the energy within our body. So let's begin. We start in a relaxed position. Our knees are soft, our feet are wide apart, our shoulders are dropped. We raise into prayer position. We shift the weight to one side with our hands and then shift to the other side, moving the weight from left to right. As we do so, we turn the neck in the opposite direction, feeling a stretch all the way down our spine. This exercise is called Swimming Dragon. It helps us to awake the spinal energy, increase flexibility, and circulate the chi through the liver meridians in order to release anger and frustration. Allow the breath to do all of the work. We're breathing in as we sway back, and when we stretch, we release the breath. Breathing in and releasing, breathing in and releasing. Really flowing with the breath as you allow the movement to become free and flexible. Feel into your own body and only stretch as far as it feels good. But really allow that motion to flow so you become that motion, letting go of every thought and allowing the breath and the motion to take you. When you're ready to finish, release the hands, breathe in, throw the energy up, and allow the hands to fall just below the navel onto the lower dantian. Here we surrender our shoulders, soften our knees, and breathe into that space. The next exercise is another flowing movement. We reach up with our right hand, stepping behind with the right leg. Coming back to the center, and again reaching with the left hand and stepping back with the left leg. Breathing in, we move. Breathing out, we are stretching. Looking up to the top hand as we do so. Breathing in again to move. As we do so, the arms open like wings. Now stretching up to release the breath. Back to wings, and then stretching up again. This exercise is called Crane Spreads its Wings, and is to cultivate balance, openness, calmness, and the graceful expansion of energy through the body. As you continue to move, allow the breath to lead, stretching up and over, looking up, breathing, and then stretching again, releasing the breath. Breathing, stretching and releasing. As you continue the move, just allow everything to flow with ease. When you're ready to finish, come to the standing position, breathe in, breathe out, allowing the hands to fall, and find the lower dantian just below the navel. Preparing for the final exercise, shaking the hands out. We pull one hand back, reaching the other hand forward, and they cross over the top of each hand. As we pull the left hand back, we tip into the left side. As we pull the right hand back, we tip into the right side, using the breath to move. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. This exercise is called Repelling the Monkey. It helps us to clear tension, improve coordination, and helps us to release emotional frustration and scattered energy. Again, we surrender to the breath and allow the breath to lead the motion. Breathing in and breathing out as we sway with the motion. Each breath is an act of release. And as we continue the exercise, we become the breath. The movement becomes the breath as we surrender and release all tension and releasing the mind. To finish, we breathe in, throw the hands up, let the hands fall gently down to the lower dantian, and place your hands there, allowing the back to be straight, shoulders dropped, and breathe deeply into the belly. Thank you for joining me for this spring edition of Be Bright Energy, and we finish by saying Namaste.